Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google business profile for your company. This is essential for any business. I'll start by typing our business name right here. Next, we need to choose a business type. You'll see 3 options, and you can actually select more than one if they apply to you. Now, we move on to the business category. Next, enter your business address and click Next. If Google asks if you are one of the existing businesses listed, you can select none of these. You will then be prompted to pin your exact location on the map. You'll also see an option to add a phone number. I'm going to skip this for now, but you can always add it later. On the next screen, I recommend checking these 2 boxes to receive updates and tips from Google on how to improve your profile. Once you see the message, "You are now verified," tap Next. Now we'll set our business hours and add a business description. Following that, you can upload photos of your business to make the listing more engaging. You can skip the advertising step for now. Once your business is fully verified, your listing will go live. From your dashboard, you can read reviews, track your performance, and see how many people are finding you. If customers send you messages through Google, you can reply to them directly here. You can also edit your services and manage your profile at any time, as long as you're signed into your Google account. And that's it!